Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Glutacom-C cream. Before applying, it's crucial to prepare your skin properly. Start by cleansing your face with a mild cleanser to remove any impurities or makeup. Then, gently pat your skin dry with a soft towel, making sure it's completely dry. This ensures the cream can be absorbed effectively. Always do a quick patch test first to avoid any irritation. Now let's talk about the application. Take a small, pea-sized amount of Glutacom-C cream onto your fingertips. Gently dot this amount onto key areas of your face, like your forehead, cheeks, nose, and chin. Then, using soft, upward, and circular motions, massage the cream into your skin. Make sure to cover your entire face and neck evenly for the best results. For optimal results, consistency is key. Apply Glutacom-C cream twice a day, once in the morning and again before bedtime. You should aim for consistent use over at least 4 to 6 weeks to begin seeing noticeable improvements in your skin's appearance. During the day, always follow up with a good sunscreen to protect your skin. Remember to store your cream in a cool, dry place. Glutacom-C cream offers several benefits, including brightening your skin and helping to reduce the appearance of dark spots. It works to promote a more even skin tone, giving you a radiant and healthy-looking complexion. A quick tip: always avoid direct contact with your eyes. If it gets into your eyes, rinse thoroughly with water. If any irritation persists, please consult a dermatologist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.